Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Iklota Techno. And today we are going to create the Gmail ID in our device, or device means mobile. By using your mobile, we are going to create a new Gmail ID. I will give you some simple steps that you can follow and you can create the Gmail ID like anything. So this demonstration will happen without the phone number. Okay, we don't require any phone number to create the Gmail ID, so without wasting time, let's get started. Now we are on the mobile application screen. We can see all the applications installed in my mobile. You only need to click on the search bar. You can see it at top of the screen. The search bar, I already highlighted it. You have to click on it and let us type Gmail. Okay, now you can see the Gmail application is being displayed. Let me highlight this one as well. Okay, I am clicking on it now. Alright guys, so we can see we are here. We are on the setup email screen. So this is the first scenario. I will demonstrate this thing with two different scenarios. The first scenario is when we never sign into any of the Gmail accounts on our device or mobile. In that case, when we click on the Gmail icon, the application will navigate us to the setup email screen directly. So this is the one scenario. Another scenario. Let me go back again. So now this is the second scenario when the device already has and signed in with the one Gmail ID. So in that case, when we click on Gmail, it will show the screen where our Gmail ID and their inbox are being displayed. Okay, so don't worry about it. I will give you the next step from where you can know how to reach the setup email screen. Okay, so what do we need to do? Let me highlight this one. We have to click on this icon, okay? This icon, I am clicking on this icon. Now I can see add another account. There is the one option, add another account. Okay, guys. We need to click on it. And boom, right. We are now on the setup email screen. So these are the two different scenarios that I would like to demonstrate to you guys, so you guys don't get confused. Okay. Now let's move on. This is the Google. As we are. To create the Gmail account, we need to click on Google. I have clicked on Google. Once you click on Google, it will redirect you to the sign-in screen. So what do we need to do here? We need to click on the Create Account button. Let me highlight the button. We have to click on the Create Account option in order to create a personal account. This email ID will definitely be for my personal use only. So I am clicking on my personal use, and now you are able to see the sign up screen. Here it is asking for the first name and last name, so I am putting my first name and last name optional. If you want, you can give it. If you don't want it, it will not show any error. Now I am clicking on the next button. You can see the here. This is the next button, okay. I am clicking on it. Now it's asking for your birth date. So the first field is for the month, then the day and the year, and below that you can see the gender. So let me put my date of birth. Try to give your correct date of birth, because sometimes it also helps you to recover your password. When you forget your password, you can recover your password by using the date of birth option. So I'm selecting my gender as male. Now click on Next button. You can see them at the bottom right corner. Here is the Next button. We have to click on the Next. So now we are on the page where we have to choose the Gmail ID. So guys, I will request you choose a unique email ID, otherwise you will get the error from the Google site. Like this email ID is not available. Okay, so let me putting my unique email ID Manish and the some digit over here. Let's wait. As we are able to see, this email ID does not exist in the system of Gmail, so it allows me to use the same email ID. Now we have to enter a string password, like a combination of digit and alphanumeric, etc. And now you again click on the next button. Now application is asking for the add a phone number, and guys, in the stat ring of the video we promised to create Gmail ID without phone number. So yeah, hear the trick. I am clicking on the skip. Here you can see the skip and boom. Now it asking for that you can please review your Gmail account. Yeah, that is correct. So again, I am clicking on the next button at the bottom right. Yeah, here. Next. Now this is our privacy terms and conditions screen. We have to scroll down at the bottom. Again, we have to click on the agree button. If you want to read this out, then this is on you, but let me click on the I agree button. And boom! Now we can see our new Gmail ID here, Manikayat7179.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
If you guys like my video, please put a comment if you are able to make the Gmail ID or not.
Thank you for watching. See ya in the next video.